I want to hear your bad reviews, Tony.
We got one bad review.
Yeah? One?
Yeah.
Wait, all of them are 5 stars, but this one's just 1 star?
Yeah. I remember it, like everything too. This is ridiculous. Hey, what's up guys? I'm Tony from Tony's Professional Touch, based out of San Bernardino, California. And today we're going to be checking out other detailers' bad reviews and the competition.
Alright, Tony, first off, is there a lot of competition over here?
I'd say so. It's a pretty good amount. There's always like every day I see new detailers trying to pop up, start their own business out here.
And you mentioned Google is one of the best ways you get business.
Yeah.
And you have a website?
Yeah.
Got it. Do you just have Google, or is it Google My Business? Do you know?
So I have to put your business on there. You need Google My Business. They don't have the app anymore. They used to have like an app. Now it's just kind of like when you go on Google, you just log into your account, and it'll, when you look up your business, it'll, if you already have one on there, it'll ask you if you're the owner, and if you already put that you're the owner, it'll automatically like link together, and you'll be able to have access to any editing that you may need to do with your phone number, location, hours, things like that.
All right, Tony, let's look it up. What are we gonna look up?
Should we do best detailers in San Bernardino?
Yeah.
Let's see. So we got some sponsored stuff.
Sponsor from other detailers?
Some websites that were sponsored. So it just shows 1, 2, 3, 3 sponsored ads on the top. Before we go scrolling down to see the list, it'll be a body shop, D&D body shop, advertising their car detailing services, and then it's another random, just says San Bernardino car detailing services. Doesn't really say the name of the business. And then there's another one where it's a top auto detail near me, up to $100 off a detail package.
Those are sponsors.
Yeah, those are the sponsored ones that they pay to have their website posted on top.
Have you ever done sponsors?
Yeah, I used to do that in the past years. I've done it. The only thing is that it's kind of a bit expensive, and especially if you're not making any sales. The main issue with me and Google would be that you need to answer the phone for the most part, because they charge as soon as someone calls or clicks on the website, they're already charging you, and they don't. It's not that cheap. Like sometimes a couple of dollars. Every click is different pricing. It just varies, but it's not that cheap. It can add up really quickly. And if you're not answering the phone call, or you're too busy to answer, you just don't like answering phone calls, then you're not gonna make that sell, and it's just gonna be kind of a waste of money. So that's the only reason I don't advertise as much on Google anymore, because I usually don't answer phone calls anyways. I usually do everything by text. But eventually I would like to start doing it again once I know I have enough free time. Once I get employees and whatnot, and I'll do more of like switch my position over to trying to just get bookings in, then I'll answer phone calls.
Got it, man. So, who's the first person that pops up?
So first person, we got FJC Mobile Detailing with the super clean record, 5 stars, 63 people. I don't think he has any bad reviews, or he only has one review that's a 3-star.
Let's see what they say.
Let's see, lowest rating. They just said average job, not 5-star. That was 2 years ago.
Is that a hater right there, Tony?
Potentially could be. He didn't really leave any photos or descriptions of anything. He has 8 other reviews, and you can check what they said about other places. He might be a hater. He's only given bad reviews to 3 other places, or 2 other places besides FJC. So he put at a Pacific Auto Center, he put customer service is horrible, and at Hardee's he put very slow service.
What about the other reviews?
The other reviews are all 5 stars. 2 other dealerships or food places or repair shops. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys think this guy's being a hater or he's just being an honest customer. Let's see, next one on the list. We got Wow Mobile Detailing. They got 4.6 stars, 44 reviews. Let's see, they have a bunch of 5 stars, and they got a couple 1 stars. Let's see what their lowest ratings say. So we got Money Mapes left a review 4 weeks ago saying he got an engine detailing service, and he put, I wouldn't let this guy touch my car for free, not even close to a professional. And that's all he said. He didn't leave any pictures. He left a 1-star review. The response from the owner of Wow Mobile Detailing said, sorry, we don't work on trash, my bad.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah. Next one is from 2 weeks ago. So these are kind of pretty recent.
Hey, you think WoW is slipping or what?
Potentially. I'm gonna read this and see what he says on the second one. So he only has 4 bad reviews, and 2 of them are pretty recent. One of them is from 4 weeks ago, and the other one's from 2 weeks ago. But the other 2 were from 2 years ago. So 2-3 years ago. So, and the rest of them are all 5 stars. So he maybe he had a little hiccup this past month. He was going through something, or I don't know.
Maybe baby mama left him, bro, and took the house. Shit.
Something was probably going on, or not too sure. But the next one is from Marina Valdez. I guess she got an engine detail service as well, and she just put very unprofessional. Claimed he knew what he was doing when he really didn't. Then the response from the owner was, "You and your boyfriend came to my spot because the mechanic wouldn't touch the nasty, filthy car engine light already on. Got your engine cleaned by me, then did not pay, you bum. God gone, make you know your life is miserable right now." Me personally, I wouldn't respond like that. So he might be in a rough spot. I'm not too sure. I don't know his situation. He might just be going through something, or I don't know. But yeah, those are from pretty recent. I guess they're both for engine detailing services. The other 1-star review they have from 3 years ago, this guy said, "I don't know. I never had anything done by them."
Have you ever got a review like that?
I haven't, but I've witnessed it.
Yeah, me too.
I think it's because like Google, maybe that person was in their area and Google asked them like, what did you think about this place? And these guys, not being smart, instead of just canceling that pop-up, they'll just be like, "I don't know, I've never been there," and put a 1 star. And the only good thing is at least he was honest and he put that he's never been there. So when people see it, they know like, okay, this guy never even was there. But the bad thing is he put a 1 star, so it's like it messes up the rating overall of his page. But sometimes people just put a 1 star and no explanation, so that kind of leaves others wondering like, oh, what did he do wrong? All
right, man, let's go to the next detailer, Tony.
Let's see.
Thing is,
there's one more, and then after that. So we got a San Bernardino mobile car wash and auto detailing service. They got a 3-star rating overall, 10 with 10 reviews. They got a mix of everything. They got 1, 3, and 4 and 5 stars. No 2 stars, but they got everything else.
Now let me ask you: a potential customer sees that, you think they're still gonna call them or nah?
I think they'll call them to get like if they're cheap, they'll want to figure out the price and see what are they charging. And if it's cheap enough for them, they'll probably like consider it taking to them, depending on the type of like service they're trying to get them. Like I feel like maybe we're gonna look at their 5-star reviews right now and see maybe what they do well, and then we'll look at their 1 stars and see what they're lacking on. So for 1 stars, they got 1, 2, 3. They got 3 people leaving a 1-star review. So first person, Victor. This is from a year ago and 2 years ago. So this person, Victor, said, "I called for prices. He straight said, no, I'm busy. I really hope this is not the best in San Bernardino. Otherwise, we're in trouble." I feel like I understand where Victor's coming from, but as well as like the business owner perspective, I can see how maybe that person like called and the business owner was working or busy in that moment, and he just like couldn't give him, me personally, I would have tried to give him the pricing. It just depends on what I'm doing though, because if I'm really busy and I'm trying to focus and concentrate on the job, and I don't want to lose concentration on that, then I will send them directly to voicemail and text, and I'll let them know like at the end of the day what my prices are. And some people, they're very impatient. They'll be like, "Oh, what are your prices?" And they'll keep calling and they'll keep texting. And it's like, I'll just put my phone on do not disturb at that point, because I'm trying to get things done in that moment. So, but I understand how Victor, he's upset with like that he couldn't get a price and that he just said that he's busy. If he called and he answered, he should have just said, "Oh, we start at this price point, and if you want a better quote, send your pictures and we'll get back to you later throughout the day." And that probably would have saved him from getting that 1-star review. Next person, Damien, said, "Wasn't willing to detail my vehicle interior only during wet conditions. Was very rude about it." So with that, I can understand the business side as well. What I'm guessing by him saying during wet conditions, maybe it was raining that day or something, and he wanted the interior of his car done only. But potentially the business owner of this place, he didn't want to work while it was raining. And the only bad thing that he did say, he was very rude about it. It varies. Some people like I don't know Damien personally, but I know a lot of people these years or whatnot, they're very soft. So if you can be very just blunt and honest with them, and they'll take it, it'll rub off wrong on them, and they'll just take it the wrong way or something. If you're just difficult. So another person that just left a 1-star review, they didn't no description.
I want to hear your bad reviews, Tony.
We got one bad review.
Yeah? One?
Yeah.
Wait, all of them are 5 stars, but this one's just 1 star?
Yeah, I remember it, like everything too. This is ridiculous.
Okay, what did she write? What did this person write?
So there's another like company, some guy named like, his last name's Stevens. I don't remember his first name, but it's just funny because he literally has his like business name on there. And this was a year ago. It's probably almost 2 years by now. He kept editing his review, so it doesn't show what he put in the beginning. This guy called me like 2 years ago trying to sell me his products. I guess he has like a polish for flooring, and I don't even offer that service. And he was just being very repetitive about it, calling me nonstop, texting me, hey, I'm trying to hook you up, get you this and that. I'm like, I'm not interested. I'm okay, thank you. But he put the last thing he put was, so Tony's Professional Touch stated we spammed them. That said lie right from hell. Your unprofessional reaction and lies are not inflammatory because to state our products are junk is a lie, period. And that was it. And then he continues to put his photos about a car that he polished and the floors that he's polished, and that's like about it. My response was, oh, his name's Kim Stevens, because I put it there on the response. Mr. Kim Stevens, you reached out to us to purchase your spray ceramic coating. We're interested in buying your junk. We blocked your number since you kept spamming us with calls, texts to buy your products. And I put update, because before he wrote that last part, he put something else, and I put update. Using your junk products will ruin our company. Take down your review and pictures. This isn't the place to advertise your junk, and we aren't interested in you or your products. Goodbye. And I just left it at that because he kept just trying to argue, and I'm like trying to make a sell, and I'm like, I'm not interested. And unfortunately, I think where I messed up was that I responded to the review, and once you respond to a review, I did some research, and you can't take down a review that has been responded to, and you can't delete your response fully. So his review is just up there, but I don't think it affects me too much in any way because no one's ever like brought it up to me and been like, oh, why did you get this bad star? Like, no one's ever. Maybe I've lost a couple clients, or like no one wanted to try me out because, but I kind of doubt it. Like, just I don't know. That's the only bad review I got. And
it wasn't even about detailing though. It was products.
Yeah, it wasn't about my service or my anything. It's just he was upset because I don't want to buy anything from him, and so he went and left a 1-star review right away, and I was like, what the heck. My most recent one was 5 months ago, from Steven. Put Tony's offer all the best services using superior products. He was very professional and accommodating. He has an eye for detail, and the car turned out great. I need to start trying to push out the Google reviews a bit more because I service a lot of cars and a lot of new clients, and I barely have any reviews. I should be having like over 200 for sure by now after 5 years. So it's something I need to work on. All right, well, there you guys have it. Those are the top detailers in my area and their reviews. Let me know in the comments down below what your review is on Google. And remember, if you guys like this type of content, please make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.